Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So it is officially week 5 in the Fly Lady system because there are 3 days at the end of February. Zone 5 is the living room and the den. I did my living room in the 14-week home organization challenge. So I am going into my least favorite room in my house. It is the master bathroom, because I do not like to clean the bathroom ever at all. And I do what I have to do in here, and then I exit quickly. One of the things that I have tried to do is not accumulate lots of stuff, but I have seemed to accumulate lots of stuff in my bathroom. I have a double vanity in there, and underneath each of the sinks there is lots of stuff. So it's zone 5 in the Fly Lady system, but I'm going to head into the master bathroom and do a 15-minute quick declutter. And I'm only doing 15 minutes because I actually have to leave for a class that I'm taking, and I don't want to be in there any longer than I have to because it is really just not my favorite place. So what I'm also going to do is a swish and swipe, because I did not swish and swipe this morning. For some reason, the swish and swipe does not make sense in my head. It makes sense, I just can't follow through on it, or I haven't. So I'm going to do the 15-minute declutter, a quick swish and swipe, then off to my class, and I thought I'd bring you along with me while I did it. So I have a pocket door into my master bathroom. Not my favorite feature of the house, but it's okay. It does provide a space, and I don't have to worry about the in and out of losing that space. So come on into the master bath and let me show you what we have inside. So as you enter the master bathroom, this is what you see. I put up this curtain, and I did tie the curtain here so that it's not hanging on the ground, because sometimes I do have boys that use my bathroom. But it's very simple. It's just pink, nothing major here. I do have a towel rack, which I don't love that there. I did have Handy Mandy come in and put in a what do I want to call this? A new shower rack that is curved. But here's a problem that I have in my bathroom. It's all of the stuff. I've got hair stuff, more hair stuff, shower stuff, bubble bath stuff, hair stuff, just stuff everywhere. So here's for my swish and swipe that I have here in my trash can. Got my scale, and then when you come over here, there's just stuff. So I went on a trip last week. I did not put that up. Thin brush for your face, hot curlers. This I like just fine. And then over here is where my toothbrush and everything is. But this is what is the bane of my existence. It's just stuff. Just hair stuff. It's stuff I don't even use. And then under here, and there's nobody here but me. This should not be full of stuff, but it is. So I'm going to declutter. I do have, look, stuff, right? To the laundry room. So I have purchased these. This is a 2-tier mesh organizer with dividers. I got this from Aldi, specifically for the bathroom. So I am hopeful this will help me in my organizational journey, and I'm going to bring you along as I get it done quickly. y'all. So what, okay, so I was looking for some things and could not for the life of me figure out where they were. But you know, I coupon quite avidly. And so what I was able to find in these boxes that I'm actually going to send out to the storage in the garage are these, here's some wax strips that I got. But I don't use these very often. So it's okay to go out into the garage. And then also there are bars and bars of soap. And I know why I brought them in here was because I didn't have space at the time. I did not have the big storage thing out in the garage. So that's probably why I put them in here, just to have a place to store them. But since I do now have the garage space, I'm going to send all the soap and the wax strips outside. And then I also have, which I'm going to keep one inside, mascara. So I'm actually going to keep the, let's see, what's the difference? One has a straight brush and one is waterproof. So I think I'm going to keep the waterproof inside the house. And then I'm going to, and this is just some makeup. So I'm going to send this outside. And then in this bottom one, because Jackson, since he's had his allergy shots, has a lot of nose issues, I'm going to send some of these out to the car to put in his little tissue holder. And then here's some Charmin wipes that we can use. It's just a travel pack of wipes. So some of these will go out into the car and some of this will go into the garage. Maybe she stepped on something outside.
No, that was before we even went on walking.
Let me see, Mama. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Heart? Is it hurting? Oh, Mommy, give me lovage. Is it hurting? Is it hurting, Mommy? Might be a little swollen.
And she's heavy.
Okay, well, put her down. Just leave her.
See? She never keeps her paw with them.
Maybe she heard it.
And I noticed many things, so we all know, right?
Come here, ma'am. Come on, Mama. Come here, ma'am. Ma'am.
See? There it is again.
Come here, ma'am. Here, let me see. Okay, everybody, so after about, I would say about 45 minutes, and I actually had to leave for a couple hours, so I did about 30 minutes before I left, and then I did about 15 minutes after I just got back. The bathroom is decluttered and it is clean. I'll still need to come in and do another thorough cleaning. Jackson did the tub for me. I just moved everything that was here and here. We just have lotion, shower, shaver, and body washes here. This one is almost empty, so I'm just leaving it there for now. I decided to keep this because I use that for bubble baths and stuff. But I moved the basket that was here, and then we just moved what was over there. And so for now, that portion of the bathroom is squared away. My next biggest issues were underneath these cabinets with having the dual vanities. And I'm one person. So we cleaned off everything here. And that looks really good. Wiped everything down. But these were my areas that were issues. I got rid of so many baskets and just trash and things that I had under here. So I'll show you, take you down a little bit closer. And so here is what we have underneath now. This is a hair basket. I use this for Alana. It's all her shampoo and hair cream and plastic hair bags, you know, when I deep condition her hair, and her oil spray, detangler, deep conditioner, everything is in there. Then we have, we keep a lot of rollers in the house because ma'am does shed. And then here on this bottom shelf that does slide out, we have hot curlers and flat irons. And then we have all the combs and brushes in there. And then on the top shelf, we just have medicines that I use every day. And then vitamins and what is that, contact solution. And then I have a shaver in the back. I have these little chin hairs, and so I do have to have a shaver because they have not made a cream yet that will take care of these little chin hairs. And if they have made a cream, y'all leave me a comment below. So then down here, this is the main side where I use. What I have here is, if it will focus, travel bags when I go out of town for my little travel accessories there. And then here, I'm not super happy with this. I actually may pick up another one of these things, but I'm not real sure. I still don't want to crowd everything. But I have lotion, and I have deodorant, and then some makeup stuffs here. Just extra toilet paper, which we normally don't keep that there, but I just wanted to have it just in case. And then over here in this little pull-out, I have my face cleaner. Well, I don't know why it's not pulling out now. Okay. Well, it's not pulling out now, but it pulled out just a minute ago. Oh, there. Sorry. So I've got my face brush with cleaner. And then these are all my travel accessories. So little small bottles of things I might need while I'm away. And then in the back, I just have Trandon's retainer from when he was a kid. And then up here, I just have all of my... this is a mouthwash that I use, floss. I don't know why we have 75 open things of toothpaste, but we're using them all. And then this is some medicated mouthwash. And then some hair stuff that I use on my hair. So anyway, that's the bathroom. And I'm extremely proud that I did it. Maybe I will. Extremely proud that we were able to get it done. Maybe I will not dislike coming into this room as often. So I have had a busy day and I have crazy hair, and I apologize. It's late around here, y'all, and I got this little rashy thing coming. This is not for the people, y'all. Pray for me. But I no longer cycle since I had my surgery, but I still get, you know, what I would get if I did cycle. So I still do have my ovaries, and so my body still feels like I should cycle, but I do not cycle anymore. But anywho, maybe I will not dislike coming into this space so much now that it is decluttered. So next month when it's zone 4, I'll be able to come back in here and really get down and dirty with it, the baseboards, and do everything. But since I was running into zone 5, I really just wanted to get that done really quickly. So anyway, if you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. It just says, hey, we like your video. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. And also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next time we clean or are in a Fly Lady zone, bye.